I decided to try to make another version of the earth battery. Instead of using the copper wire, like in the other video, I'm going to use copper plates to see if this makes any improvement. I have those steel bolts here from the other video, the little piece of copper wire going to the next plate over here. I have to solder these together. Look at that. 150 millivolts. Okay, I'm going to switch it back to volts and see if we get anything. Okay, when I put it on volts, it's not giving me a reading. It's only working when it's on millivolts. There's a better reading. It's about 1/20 of a volt. I'm going to put some vinegar in there and see if we get an improvement. The last time I used the vinegar, it severely corroded and rusted out the steel bolts. The cells are already wet with just water. I'm going to put a little bit of vinegar in each cell and see if there's an improvement. Well, it's going up already. Look at that. A little over 5 milliamps, which isn't much. That's the problem with these batteries. Gives you a little free power, if you will, but can't use it because there's not enough amps being generated. Let me see. We'll go with 4.5. Since we have 12 cells, and we got 3 here, we'll do 5.1 times 4. So if we could get the same readings from making this battery with 12 cells, we would get a total of 20.4 milliamps from it. We're getting 0.8 volts from the battery, which is pretty good. So if we had a 12 cell battery, this is 3, we'll do 0.803 times 4 for a big, huge grand total of 3.21 volts for a 12 cell battery. Completely ridiculous. The conclusion is using the copper plates instead of the copper wire, so you have more surface area of copper, didn't really seem to make an improvement. Maybe if instead of using the bolts, maybe you use a piece of sheet metal. Maybe like have one that is as wide as this thing, or as long as this box of cell here, make it as wide as this, and then have a copper one here, maybe then with the vinegar you could get a higher voltage. So that's it for this this experiment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you got any suggestions for weird videos like this, you can leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks.